Hello dear students, myself Alam Sikdar. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to start exercise 3.3. All the sums of question number 1 we have completed in previous videos. So let's start from question number 2 now. In question number 2, solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus c. So first part, there have two parts here. One part is first we have to solve these two linear equations. After solving these two linear equations, we will get the value of x and y, and in that x and y value we have to put just in this third equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c. At that time we will get the value of m. So here y and x, these two variables value we will get from this equation 1 and 2. After solving this, just we have to put the value of x and y in this third equation, then we will get the value of m. Let's solve now. Solution: 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Put it number 1 equation. And second one, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Put it here, equation number 2. So from equation number 1, we have to find out the value of either x or y. Any variable's value we have to find out first from equation 1 or any equation 2. Just we have to find the value of one variable, like this. Here 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Now 3y is equal to 11 minus, this one 2x is positive, it will be transferred to right hand side with negative sign there. Now y is equal to what? 11 minus 2x divided by 3. 3 is multiplied with y in left hand side, it will be divided in right hand side. So we can keep it equation number 3. Now we have to substitute or put the value of y in remaining equation number 2. Now substituting the value of y in equation 2, we get what we get from equation 2. We have to put the value of y. So in equation 2 there have 2x minus 4 into y value. Y value will be this 11 minus 2x divided by 3 is equal to, in right part having minus 24. Now 2x minus 4 is multiplied with this numerator part, and denominator part having 4 is 1. 1 into 3 means 3, and 4 into this numerator part, then 4 into 11. 4 into 11, that is 44. 4 into 2x, that is 8x divided by 3 is equal to minus 24. So here, keeping the sign same here, just multiply with 4. 4 into 11, that is 44. Minus is there, keep the same. Minus 4 into 2, that is 8, and x is there, that is 8x. Now, and here denominator part will be 3. 1 in 3 LCM will be 3. 1 in 3 3 times, 3 into 2, that is 6x minus 3 in 3 1 times, 1 into 44 minus 8x is equal to minus 24. Now 3 is divided in left hand side, it will be multiplied with right hand side. 6x minus 44 minus 8x is equal to minus 24 into 3. Now 6x minus 44 minus minus will be plus, 8x is equal to minus 4 into 3 means 12, 2 into 3 6 and one more 7, 72 is there. Then 6x positive and 8x also positive. 6x plus 8x, that means 14x will be there. 14x, and this minus 44 will transfer to right hand side, then it will be plus 44 minus is there 70. Then 14x is equal to, if we subtract this, 72 is negative and 44 is positive, so opposite sign having here, so from more value we have to subtract less value, and sign also we have to put accordingly there. See here 12 minus 4, that means 8, here remaining there 6, if we leave this 4 then we will get here 2, but maximum value having in negative we have to put sign negative here. So minus 28, so we have to write here. After that x is equal to what? Minus 28 divided by 14. So minus 28 by 14, 14 in 28 how many times? 2 times. So x value is minus 2. Now we have to substitute this x value in equation 3. Now substituting the value of x in equation 3, we get, so from question number 3, here we have to put the value of x, then y is equal to 11 minus 2 into minus 2 divided by 3, then 11 minus minus will be plus, 2 into 2 that is 4, plus 4 divided by 3. So 11 plus 4 that is 15 divided by 3, we will get here 15 by 3. So 15 by 3 is 3 in 15 5 times, then y value is 5. Here x equal minus 2 and y equal 5. Therefore the solution of the equation of the pair of linear equations, or the solution is, you can write in shortcut also, x equal minus 2 and y is equal to 5. We have got here x value minus 2 and y value is 5. So just we have to put this value in equation y is equal to mx plus 3. This much almost completed here. So it was 14x equal minus 28. Just we have to divide this. 14 is multiplied with x in left hand side, it will be divided in right hand side, then 28 minus 28 divided by 14, then we will get the value of x is 2. Now Now we have to put the value of x and y in equation y equal. This one second part. First part we have completed. In second part, now y is equal to mx plus c. So we have to put the value of x and y in this equation. Here y value is 5 is equal to m value we have to find out, and x value is minus 2 plus 3 is there. Then 5 is equal to minus 2 into m, 2m plus 3. Then 5 minus 3 is positive in right hand side, it will transfer to left hand side with negative sign, then it will be minus 3. Then minus 2m equal to minus 2m. Now see here, 5 minus 3, that is 2, is equal to minus 2m. Now 2 divided by minus 2 is equal to what? M. Both side, if we dividing by minus 2 both side, then it will be what? M in right hand side, and in left hand side 2 by minus 2. Or we can say like this, minus 2m in right part having, so minus 2 with, if we divide in left hand side, then we can write like this, 2 by minus 2. So here value is minus 1 is equal to m. That means if we interchange this, m is equal to minus 1. Just we have to write where x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. We have solved this. So very easy. Just we have to find the value of x and y, and we have to put the value of x and y in another equation given like y is equal to mx plus 3. Let's start question number 3. From the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. So here also having in question number 3 6 sums is there. So we are going to solve now. We get ready. In question number 3 of 1, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So difference means minus. So one number from another number we have to subtract, that is minus difference. So let the two numbers be. Here one number having and other number also having, so let it see solution. Let one number be x and other number be y. If we write like this, x greater than y, then it will be easy. From x we can subtract y. According to question, the difference between two numbers is 26. So if we take one number is greater and other number is less, then we can write this x minus y is equal to what? 26. X minus y is equal to 26. So we can keep here equation number 1. Next one number is thrice times the other. So one number is x, just we have to write here x is equal there 3 times the other. 3 into other number is y, that means 3y. So 3y we can write this. 3 times of other means 3 into y, that is 3y. So one number x is equal there 3y. So we have got here two equation, we have to solve these two equations. After solve this, we will get one number and other number. Let it solve now. Now substituting the value. Now substituting the value of x in equation 1, we get from 1 x value is 3y, just we have to put here 3y minus y is equal to 26. So 3y minus y, that means we will get here 2y is equal to 26. Now y value will be what? 26 divided by 2. 2 is multiplied in left hand side, it will divide in right hand side. So 26 divided by 2. Then here will be 30. So y is equal to 30. Y value got here. Y value is 30. Now substitute the value of y in equation where we can put this. In any equation we can put here. So in equation 2 we can put this. X is equal to 3y. So we have to put the value of y in equation 3. Now substituting the value. Now substituting the value of y in equation 2, we get. Now substituting the value of y in equation 2, we get. So from 2, x is equal to 3 into y value is 13. Then 3 into 13 is equal to 39. So x is equal to what? 39. So x we have taken for what? One number, and y for taken here for other number. So here we can say this, hence one number is 39 and other number is 13. So we can prove also this, whether our sum is correct or incorrect. So let it see. X value is 39 and y value is there. Y value is 30. If x minus y, if we subtract this, so here minus, then 9 minus 3, that means what we get? 6. 3 minus 1, then 2. This one x minus y is equal to what we are getting here? 26. X minus y, we are getting here 26. That means right side of equation 1 after putting the value of left hand side of the equation 1. So our solution is correct. Here we can write, hence the one number is 39. Hence the one number hence one number is 39 and other number is 30. So and solve this. Next we have to solve question number 2 of 3. In question number 2, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So we have to make it understand first what is their supplementary angles. So supplementary angles means already given in previous video. So we have discussed about this supplementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree. If two angles sum of the measures is 180 degree, then we can say the angles are supplementary. So let us see. If there have two angles A, B and this one, if we write here Here this one 60 degree, 120 degree. Then angle BOC plus angle AOC. Angle BOC is 60 degree plus angle AOC is 120 degree. So after adding these two angles measure, we are getting here 180 degree. So here angle AOC and angle BOC are supplementary angles. That means two angles sum if 180 degree, then these angles are supplementary angles. So here the larger of, here also having one larger and another one is smaller. So if we let larger angle be X and smaller angle be Y, then at that time we have to write there X plus Y. So here written 60 degree and here 120 degree. That means 60 degree plus 120 degree will get here 180 degree. That means this one is supplementary angle. These two angles is supplementary angles. At the time sum of supplementary angles are 180 degree. So if we let here in place of 120 degree, if we let it here X, and in place of 60 degree if we let it Y, then X plus Y is equal to what? 180 degree. That means supplementary angle sum is always 180 degree. So here X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Then we will get one equation here. And another equation, the larger angle. Think it, the larger of two supplementary angles. We'll think later about this. The larger angle is equal, the exits more, the smaller by 18 degrees. That means Y X is equal to what? Y plus 18. So exits is by 18 degrees. So here we can write the larger one is equal to what? Larger equal is equal to smaller angle plus 80 degree. So this one we have to write in equation. Solution. Let the larger angle be X and the smaller angle be Y. The larger angle be X and smaller angle be Y. So from this condition we can write X plus Y is equal to what? 180 degree, because these two angles are supplementary. So according to question, X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So we can put here equation 1. And in another condition is the larger angle, that is X, is equal to exits the smaller by 18 degrees. So smaller one is Y plus exits 18 degrees. So we can write here equation number 2. Now here X is equal to what? Y plus 18. So if we put the value of X in equation 1, then we will get the value of Y. That means larger angle, this one, and smaller angle is Y. So we have to find out this. Now substitute the value, or substituting the value of X in equation 1, we get here what we get. So from 1 we have to write here X value is Y plus 18. So Y plus 18 we have to write in place of X, plus is there, Y is equal to right part having 180 degree. So Y plus Y, there will be 2Y plus 18 is equal to 180. Now 2Y is equal to what? 18 degree. Here 18 is positive, it will be negative in right hand side after transferring this. So 180 degree minus 18. So degree again and again no need to write. After finding the value we can write this. Y is equal to what then? So 180 minus 18. So here it will be 10, 10 minus 8, 2, there will be 7, 7 minus 1, then 6, here will be 1. So 162 here. So 180 minus 18 degree. X value putting here, y plus 18, yes, plus y is equal to what was there, 180 degree. Now y plus y, 2y plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. So 2y keep in left hand side and transfer this 18 to right hand side. So 180 degree minus 18, then what will get here? 7. Here 10 minus 8 means 2. Here have 7. 7 minus 1, 6. And 162 will get here. So 162. Now y is equal to what? 162 divided by 2. If we divide this in 16, it will be 8 times, and into 1 times. That means y value will get here 81. Y value is here 81. Now substituting the value of y in equation number 2, then we will get the value of x. So let it see now. Now substituting the value of y in equation 2. Now substituting the value or putting the value of y in equation 2, we get here from 2 what we get, x is equal to y value is 81. Okay, y value is 81 plus 18 is there, plus 18 is equal to, there will be 81 and 18 plus is there 9, there will be 9. So 99. Yes, hence the larger angle is 99 and smaller angle is 81. So we have put here like we have laid already the larger angle bx, then larger angle will be 99 and smaller angle be y. So smaller angle is 81. So we can write like this. Hence the larger angle is 99 and the smaller angle is 81. Whether this sum is correct or incorrect, just we have to prove also this. There have one larger angle and another one is smaller angle, but condition is this, they are supplementary. Then if we plus this 99 plus 81, then if we are getting 180 degree, that means our sum is correct. Let it check. Oh. X plus y is equal to, x value is 99 plus y value is 81. That means 9 plus 1, 10, 1 in hand, and 1, 8 plus 9, 17, and 1 more, 80. So 180 degree. Yes, our sum is correct. Here x plus y is equal to, x value is 99 plus y value is 81. So after adding this, what we are getting here, 180 degree. So supplementary sums, supplementary angles measure always what? Sum of supplementary angles is always 180 degree. So our sum is correct. Next one, question number 3. Question number 3 given, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750 rupees. Find the cost of each bat and ball. So let's solve this. Number 3. In these questions, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. That means purchase their 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees what? 3,800. Later, that is again buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees what? 1,750. So we have to solve this, but before this, here asking about the find the cost of each bat and each ball. This one is unknown, we don't know. The cost of each bat means 1 bat and each ball means 1 ball. So we have to let it the cost of 1 bat be x and the cost of 1 ball be y. After that, 7 bats means 7 into x and 6 balls means 6 into y, that is 6y. That means here 7x plus 6y is equal to what? 3,800. So let it cost of 1 bat is equal to cost of 1 bat is equal to what? X, rupees x. Let it cost of 1 bat is equal to rupees 1. Therefore, cost of how many bats are there? 7 bats. We have to write 7 bats. So more, 7 is more than 1. So in case of more, we have to multiply here. So 7 into x, that means 7x. So we got here the cost of 1 bat is rupees x. Therefore, the cost of 7 bats is 7 into x, because 7 is more than 1. So we have to find 7 bats cost. At that time we have to multiply this. Next one, the cost of 1 ball is equal to what we have to take here? Y. Now how many balls are here? 6 balls. Then we have to find out the cost of 6 balls is equal to what? 6 into y, that is 6y. Therefore, the cost of 6 balls is equal to 6 into y. That means you will get here 6y, rupees 6y. Similarly, in second, here later, in second time, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. That means what? Cost of 3 bats will be 3x and cost of 5 balls will be there 5y. So here also we can write 3x plus 5y is equal to what for rupees there? 1,750 rupees. So in first time 7 bats and 6 balls cost was there, total cost was there 3,800. That means this one is 7x plus 6y is equal to what? 3,800. And here in second time 3x plus 5y is equal to what? 1,750. Let's start now this. Let the cost of 1 bat be rupees x and the cost of 1 ball be rupees y. Now according to question, first time 7 bats means 7x plus 6 balls means 6y. Cost of 7 bats is 7x and cost of 6 ball, that is 6y, written already in right here. So here written is equal to 3,800. We can keep here number 1 equation, and in second time 3 bats, that means 3x plus 5 balls, that means 5y. Cost of 5 balls is 5y is equal to total cost is 1,750. So we prepare here 2 equations. Now we have to solve these 2 equations to get x value and y value. If we get x value, that means what? That one is cost of bat, 1 bat. and y value, that one will be what? Cost of 1 mole. So now solve this. From equation 1, if we write here 6x 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. 3800. So from 1 we can write here 6y is equal to what? 3800. This one positive, it will be negative in right hand side. So write this equation completely, no problem. 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. So 6y is equal to what? 3800 minus 7x. Now y is equal to what? 3800 minus 7x by 6. We have to put here equation number 3. Now substituting the value of y in equation 2. Now substituting the value of y in equation. Now substituting the value of y in equation 3, in equation 2, we get here we have to put the value of y in equation 2. 3x plus 5 right here, and y value is 3800 minus 7x divided by 6, that is 5y. Just put the value here, y. 5 into y value is what? 3800 minus 7x divided by 6. In right part having is equal to 1750. Now 3x plus, there have 5, we have to multiply with this and divided there 6. So let it multiply now. 5 multiply with this 3800 minus 7x is equal to 1750. So we have to multiply this 5 with this. Then 3800 into 5. They are having 2 zeros more. 8 5s are 40. 0 4 in hand. 3 5s are 15 and 4 19. So 19,000. 3x plus 19,000 minus 5 into 7 35x and dividing here by 6 is equal to 1750. Now we have to take LCM because 3x plus this fraction having, so we have to multiply here. So take LCM. 6, 1 in 6 6 times, 6 into 3, that is 18x plus 6 in 6 1 times, then 1 multiply with this, then we will get the sum. Here 19,000 minus 35x is equal to 1750. Here next, now 18x and minus is there 35x. 18x is positive and minus 35x is negative. So negative value is more here. Here 15 minus 8, that one will be 7, and there is 2 minus 1 or 2 from, we have to leave 1, then 1 will be there, but here will be minus sign. So 17x. Here 17x in negative there, and plus 19000, that means 19,000 is divided by 6 is equal to, they have 1750. Now minus 17x plus 19,000 is equal to 1750 into 6. Then what we'll get here? 1750 into 6. 0 put in right here. 6 5s are 30, 3 in hand. Then 6 7s are 42. 42 and 3, that is 45. 4 in hand. 6 1s are 6 and 4, that is 10. So here minus 17x plus 19000, that is 19,000, is equal to 10,500. 10,500 we have got here. So minus 17x is equal to 10500 minus 19,000. So they are positive 10,500 and negative is 19,000. From 19,000 we have to leave this plus 10,500. Then 0 put here. Here 10 minus 5 means 5. There will be 8. 8 minus 0, 8. And here 1 minus 1 means that is 0. So we'll get here minus 17x is equal to, here will be minus sign, minus 8,500. Now both sides having minus, then if we multiply both sides with minus 1, then we will get positive value here. So 17x is equal to 8,500. 17x is equal to 8,500. Now x value we have to find out. 8500 divided by 17. So how many times we can divide 8,500 divided by 17? That means we know 17 into 5. That means what? 35. 3 in hand. 5 1s are 5 and 3 more. That is 85. So here 17 in 85, 5 times can give. Here 5 times can give, and how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. That means x is equal to 500. So x we have taken here for 1 bed cost of 1 bed. That means 500 to find out here. Now substitute the value of x in equation number 3 to get the value of y. Again substituting the value of x. Again substituting the value of x in equation 3. We get, or we have, like this. So from equation 3 we have to find out the value of y. So y is equal to 3,800 minus 7 into x value is 500. So we have to put here 500 divided by what having here 6, dividing by 6. So 3,800 written accordingly minus 7 into x value is 500. So divided by 6. So here 3,800 minus 7 5s are 35. That means 3,500. So we have to divide this. So 38 100 from, we have to subtract 3500, that is 3800 from, we have to subtract 3500, then we will get here 300. So here we can put y is equal to 300 by 6, then 6 in 30 5 times and one more 0, that means y is equal to 50. Here y is equal to 50. So we are getting this. So x value is 500 and y value is 50. So come back to this, what we have taken here. So the cost of one bed is rupees, what given there, x. So we can find out now. Hence the value, hence the cost of one bed is rupees 500 and the cost of one ball is rupees 50. We have solved this. Now closing part, right? Hence the cost of one ball bed is rupees 500 and the cost of one ball is rupees 50. Hence the cost of one bed is rupees 500 and the cost of one ball is rupees 50. So we have completely solved this question number 3. So next we have to solve this. Next we have to solve this question number 4. So just we have to write this question first. In question number 4, the taxi searches in a city consists of a fixed search together with the search for the distance covered. These lines mean in city area taxi fare. In taxi fare there have one fixed search and another searches will be per kilometer. That means for 1 kilometer searches. So fixed search along with per kilometer searches we have to add in together, and after that we have to pay the fare of taxi, like this. So we don't know here the fixed searches. So fixed search equated x and the searches per kilometer equated be y. Then total have to pay the fare of taxi at that time, x plus y. So let us see. If therefore 1 kilometer is y, therefore 1 kilometer is y, then how many kilometer having there? For a distance of 10 kilometer. So for a distance of 10 kilometer, then therefore 10 kilometer is equal to what? So 10 is more than 1, then 10 into y, that one will be 10y. So 10y. This one per kilometer searches. 1 kilometer searches is y, and then 10 kilometer searches will be 10y. So how much amount have to pay for the fare? Now this one is fixed search, equated fixed search. Fixed search is what? X. Fixed search is rupees x, and fare for or search, this one we can write here, search or fare for 1 kilometer is equal to y. Then for search or fare for 10 kilometer is equal to what? They are 10y. Then total search or total amount we have to pay for the fare. So at that time fixed search, here fixed search plus kilometer wise search. There are two searches we have to 8 together. One is fixed surge, another one is kilometer wise surge. Kilometer wise surge. See here, fixed surge is what? X plus kilometer wise surge, that means for 10 kilometer surges is there 10y. So here 10y is equal to, here the surge paid is rupees 105. That means total surge we have to pay at that time rupees 105. That means here fixed surge plus kilometer wise surges is equal to what? Total surge have to pay, that is 105. Similarly, we can write here also the surge paid for rupees 150 and for a journey of 15 kilometers. So for 15 kilometers surges will be 15 into y, that is 15y, and along with the fixed surge we have to pay, that means total have to pay their 150 rupees. So second case, this one is first equation, we can let it, and here another one is fixed surge 10 plus how many kilometer we have to travel or we have to journey there, 15 kilometer. That means 15 kilometer per surges will be there, 15 into y, that is 15y, and this mean total pay there 155. That means x plus 15y is equal to what? 155. So we can write this equation number 2. So here x is fixed surge and 15y is kilometer wise surge. Per kilometer surges is there y, then 15 kilometer per surges will be there 15y is equal to, this mean total have to pay the surges is 155. So we have prepared here two equations. Let's now start. Let the fixed surge be rupees x and the surge per kilometer or 1 kilometer, per kilometer means 1 kilometer, be rupees y. According to question, already we have prepared there, x plus 10y is equal to 105. Rupees we can write in later. So in final part, here x is, that is fixed surge, and 10y is kilometer wise surge. So fixed surge plus kilometer wise surge is their total surge is 105. So here equation number 1, and another one is x plus 15y is equal to 155. This one is equation number 2. Now just we have to solve these two equations to find out the fixed surge and surge for per kilometer. So from 1, if we take this, implies if we take here x value, then it will be what? 105. This 10y is positive in left hand side, it will be negative in right hand side. So 10y. So x value we have to find out first here. X is equal to 105 in right part having, then 10y is positive in left hand side, it will be transferred in right hand side, so sign will be there negative 10y. So put it here, equation number 3. Now substituting the value of x in remaining equation is 2. Now substituting the value of x in equation. Now substituting the value of x in equation 2. In equation 2, we get, what will we get? From 2, we have to replace this. X value is 105 minus, this one is x value, so x equal to 105 minus 10y, just we have to put in equation 2 here. So 105 minus 10y, and plus is there, 15y is equal to 155. Now 105 minus 15y is positive and 10y is negative, then positive is more, so we have to write here 105 plus 5y, because 15 is positive and 10 is negative, we have to leave this 10 from 15, so 15 minus 10 we will get 5, y is there, so is equal to 155. Now 5y is equal to 155 minus 105, this one, so 105. Then here y value will be what? Y is equal to 155 minus 105, that means here will be 50. So y is equal to 50 divided by 5. So 155 minus 105 means there have 50 and 5 is multiplied by y, then it will be divided in right hand side. So 50 by 5, then what will get? Here 5 in 50 10 times, that means y is equal to 10. So y for taking here per kilometer surge, that is rupees 10, we find out here. Next again we have to substitute the value of y in equation 3. Again substituting the value of y in equation 3. Again we have to substituting the value of equation y in equation 3. So 3 implies from, we can write here, so x is equal to 105 minus 10 into y value. Here 10y having 10y from y value will be there 10. So 10 into 10. So 105 minus 100. That means we are getting here x value is 5. So we can say here x value taken for what? Fixed surge, and y value taken for per kilometer surge. So fixed surge is rupees 5 and per kilometer surges is rupees 10. So we have find out here. So in second part asking one more questions here. How much does a person have to pay traveling of a distance of 25 km? So in case of 25 km, that one also fixed surge saving, fixed surge plus per kilometer y surge. So 25 km asking here. So 25 km for surges will be what? 25 y, because of surge for 1 km. Surge for 1 km is equal to what taken there? Y. Surge for 1 km, that is kilometer y surge. So surge for 1 km, that is y. Therefore for 25 km surges will be 25 y. Yeah. So 25 y. Surges for 25 km is equal to 25 y. So these surges with having fixed surge also, then total fare or total surge will be at that time x plus 25 y. And in second part we will write now. So before this we have to write here, therefore the fixed surge is rupees 5. The surge per kilometer is rupees 10. Now this one first part almost solved, and second part for we have to find out for 25 km. So for 25 kilometer, question having how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? So this one, how much does a person have to pay for a traveling of distance of rupees 25 kilometer? So first part almost over here. So second part just we have to write like a person have to pay for traveling. A person have to pay for traveling. A person have to pay for traveling a distance of a distance of 25 kilometer is equal to at the time fixtures is x plus 25y. This search for 25 kilometer. This one is kilometer wise search and this one is fixtures. So x value we got here 5. Just we have to put here 5 plus 25 into y value is, that is what the search per kilometer is what 10. So here 10 is search per kilometer. So 25 into y, that is 10. So is equal to 5 plus 250. That means 255. Here we can write in rupees 255. We have to write here rupees 255. Have to pay. We have to write here rupees. This one write in rupees. Okay. So x fixtures and 25y, that is kilometer wise search. So after calculate this, what we are getting here 255 rupees. So that particular person have to pay for traveling distance of 25 kilometer is rupees 255. Let's start second question number 5. So a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Easy. So let's start this. Before we start this, we need to write the question first. So if we know the question, then solution can find out easy way. In question number 4, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added in both the numerator and denominator. So fraction will become like 9 by 11 if both the numerator and denominator added 2. And in second part, see, if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, that means 3 need to add both numerator and denominator. Then fraction will become what? 5 by 6. So we know this fraction. How can we write? Fraction is equal to numerator divided by denominator. So we can write like this: fraction is equal to numerator value by denominator value. So if we let the numerator be x and denominator be y, then fraction will be what? Fraction will be x by y. So if we let the value of numerator, that is x, and value of denominator be y, then fraction becomes this x by y. So let here let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Therefore fraction will become therefore fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator, that means x by y. This one. So now what written here? If 2 is added both the numerator and denominator, then fraction will become what? 9 by 11. So according to question, numerator is x and denominator is y. So both the numerator and denominator we have to add this 2. Then x plus 2 by y plus 2 is equal to, fraction will become what? 9 by 11. Fraction will become 9 by 11. So we can calculate from here. Cross multiply. So 11 multiply with x plus 2 and 9 multiply with y plus 2. So here 11 into x, that is 11x, plus 11 into 2, that means what? 22 is equal to 9 into y, that is 9y, plus 9 into 2, that is 18. 9 into 2, that is 18 here. So now we can write here 11x minus 9y is equal to what? 18 minus 22. That means 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. This one is one equation. Equation number 1. And another time again, and second, in second line given 3 is added both the numerator and denominator. So numerator is x and denominator is y. So we have to add here 3 and denominator also we have to add 3. Then this equation becomes 5 by 6. We have to write here 5 by 6. Now we have to cross multiply this once again. See here 6 into x plus 3. In right hand side 5 into y plus 3. So cross multiply this as. Then here 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. This next one 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. 18 is positive, it will be negative in right one. Then we can write here 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So we can put here equation 2. Here equation 2. So we have to come back here. From equation 1, if we write like this, 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Then 11x is equal to what? Minus 4. And minus 9y we have to transfer to right hand side. Then it will become what? Positive. So plus 9y. This one you can write x is equal to 9y minus 4, because 9y is positive and minus 4 is there, no changes is there. So here 11 is multiplied, then it will be divided right hand side. So this one we can put here equation number 3. Now substitute the value of x in equation 2. Now substituting the value of x in equation 2. Now substituting the value of x in equation 2, we get so 2 implies what value we have to put here in equation 2. We have to put the value of x in equation 2. So here 6 x value is 9y minus 4 divided by 11. Minus is 5y. is equal to minus 3. This is just 6x value we have put here. So 9y minus 4 divided by 11 and minus 5y is equal to their minus 3. Now 6 into y, that means 54y minus 6 into 4, 24 divided by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3. We are having fraction this part and minus is there 5y. So we have to take the LCM here. So 1. LCM is 11. So 11 in, here we can put here like, so 11 in 11 1 times, just multiply with numerator part. Then if we multiply 1 with numerator, then what we get? 54y minus 24 minus 1 in 11, 11 times, 5 into 11, that is 55y is equal to minus 3. This part is there. So 54y minus 55y. So 55 is more and 54 is less. Then what we can write here? Minus y minus 24. Minus value is more here. So minus sign we have to write here. And divided by 11 is equal to minus 2. Now minus y minus 24 is equal to minus 3 into 11. So minus 3 into 11 means minus 33. So we can put right here minus 33. Next one, minus y is equal to minus 33. This negative 24 is negative in left hand side, it will be positive in right hand side. So here plus 24. Then y is minus y is equal to, what will be that? Here minus 33 and positive is there 24. 13 is there. Then what we have to write here? 9. And there will be 2 minus 0. This minus 9. So y is equal to 9. We can write this. Minus y is equal to minus 9. Then both sides, if we multiply with minus 1, then it will become positive. So y is equal to what? 9. So we are getting here y value is 9. Again we have to substitute this y value in equation 3 to get the value of x. Again substituting the value of y in equation 3, we get, or we have this. Again substituting the value of y in equation 3, we get. So that will come back here. Of this 3 number, here x is equal to 9 into y value is 9 minus 4 divided by 11. So 99 minus 4. From here come back. Here from to come back once again here. So x is equal to 81 minus 4 by 11. Now 11 from, if we subtract this 4, then 7 will be there, and here 7, then 77 by 11. 77 by 11. So in 77, 11 will be 7 times. 77 divided by 11. Then what we will get? Here 7. So in 77, 11 will be 7 times. So x value also we find out here 7, and y value also find out 9. So x and y value we have find out here. That means numerator value and denominator value find out. Now fraction will be what? Numerator divided by denominator 1. So what asking here? Find the fraction. Therefore the fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. Numerator is what? 7. Numerator by denominator almost having written there. So numerator value we have to write here 7 and denominator value is 9. So 7 by 9 is the fraction. So next one more question having here. 6 number. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So we have to find the present ages of Jacob and his sons. So before solving this we have to write the questions, then we can find out the solution. In these questions, this is the last question of exercise 3.3. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? What are their present ages? So we have to find the present age. What are their present ages? Present ages. We don't know about the present age of Jacob, and also we don't know the present age of son. So we have to find out the present age of son and present age of Jacob. So before this, we have to think what written here. 5 years hence means after 5 years, and 5 years ago means 5 years earlier. What was the age at that time? 5 years ago, what was the age? See, if anyone's age, let it one person's age is now x years. Let it age of A. Let age of A. Present age. Let present age of A be x years. Let the present age of A be x years. So after 5 years, it will be what? X years. In place of x, if we let it 10 years. Let it 10 years. So here 10 years. Age of A be 10 years now. Then after 5 years, it will be what? 10 plus 5, 15. And after 20 years, age will be at that time 10 plus 20, then 30 years. That means after whatever written here after, that means we have to add that one. And years ago or before that one, 5 years ago. See, 5 years ago, age was 10 years. Let it. If 5 years ago age of A was or age of A was 10 years, then what is the present age of A? Because 5 years ago it was 10 years. So now you have to subtract that one. 10 minus 5. So what was there? 5 years ago age of A was 10 years. So before 10 years, sorry, this one is present age. Yes. present S is 10 years. Then 5 years ago what was there? That means that one will be minus. So 10 minus 5. Then we will get at that time 5 years. If present S is 20 years there, then before 5 years what it was? Then 20 minus 5, that means 15 years. Like this way we have to do. That means in all, so if they have after, we have to add that, and ago one or before one we have to subtract from present tenses. Very simple one. So let us see now. Let the present as, let the present is of Jacob be X years. Let the present is of Jacob be X years, and the present is of son be Y years. So Jacob is X years and son is Y years. Five years hence. 5 years hence. This means after 5 years. After 5 years. 5 years hence. This means after 5 years. Jacob's is will be at that time we have to add this with present is. After 5 years, if we have to find the is, then it will be 8 with present is. So present is X plus how many years after 5 years? So that one we have to 8, and X plus I years. Son's is will be, son present is Y. After 5 years, then write it here 5. So Y plus 5 years. Again, 5 years ago. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Jacob's is was. Jacob's is was. Yes, ago one or before is. We have to subtract from present s. So present s is X minus 5 years, and son's is was. Son's is was Y minus 5 years. Now come to the condition. Condition is the age of Jacob. So 5 years hence, that means after 5 years, Jacob's age, whatever having Jacob's age, that one is equal to what? Will be 3 times that of his son. So according to question here, Jacob's is after 5 years, X plus 5 is equal to, will be 3 times that of his son. Then 3 times that of his son is will be there Y plus 5. This one. So Jacob's is after 5 years, Jacob's is whatever, that one will be the what? 3 times of that is that of his son. So that means we have to write like this: X plus 5 is equal to 3 into son's is. This one after 5 years. So X plus 5 is equal to 3Y plus 3 into 5, 15. So X minus 3Y is equal to what we can write? 15 minus 5. So here x minus 3y is equal to 10. We can put this equation 1. Or here from we can find the value of x also. X also we can find out here direct, like this. X is equal to what? 3y plus 10. So from here we can find direct x value also. So you can write here like x is equal to 3y plus 15. This one positive, it will be negative here. Then 3y plus 10. So x is equal to what? 3y plus 10. Here 3y plus 10. So we can write here equation number 1. So if we do like this way, then equation will be reduced here. Otherwise one equation will be more. So we can find out here from x value. So x is equal to what? 3y plus 15. 5 is positive, it will be negative there. Then 3y plus 15 minus 5, that is 10. So equation 1 we have to put here. So again here in second condition, 5 years ago, second condition is 5 years ago, Jacob S was 7 times that of his son. So we have to write this first. Jacob S was x minus 5. X minus 5. Jacob S is was 7 times. So in place of here 7 times that of his son. So Jacob is written here x minus 5. After that is equal to what we have to write? 7 times that of his son. So 7 into son's s was before 5 years, y minus 5. Yeah, y minus 5. So x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y, 7y minus 35. So we can put here x is equal to what? X is equal to, or x minus 7y is equal to minus 35, plus will be there 5. This one. So x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. Then it will be there x minus 7y is equal to 35 minus, plus will be there 5. So keep it equation 2. Here x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Keep it equation 2. Now substituting the value of x in equation 2, we get so x value is 3y plus 10. X value is 3y plus 10. 3y plus 10 we have to write, and minus is there 7y we have to write here, is equal to minus 30. So 3y and 3y is positive and minus 7y is negative. Then what we will get here? Minus 4y plus 10 is equal to minus 30. So minus 4y is equal to minus 30, and there is positive 10, it will be negative in right part. So minus 4y is equal to minus 40. So both sides having minus, then it will be positive. If we multiply both sides with minus 1, then here 4y is equal to what? 40. So we can write here 4y is equal to 40. Now y value is equal to what? 40 by 4. Then what will get? 10. So y is equal to 10. So here what we are getting here, y is equal to 10. Now we have to put the value of y in equation 1. So we have to put the value of y in equation 1. Now we have to put the value of y in equation 1. From here come back again, substituting the value of y in equation 1, we get from 1 we have to write here 1, equation is there, x is equal to 3 into y. 3 into y value is what? Y value is 10. Y value is 10. Then 10 plus is there 10. Then total 30 plus 10. That means 40. So x value is there 40. So hence we can find out the present s of Jacob. X was there, so x value is 40. So present s of Jacob is 40 years, and their y value is 5. That means Saul's present s is 10. So we can write in finally nicely. Hence the present s of Jacob is 40 years, and the present s of son is 10 years. So hence solve this. This one was the last question for this chapter, exercise 3.3. So we have solved already all the sums of exercise 3.3. So wish you all the best. So if you are liking this video, then please share, subscribe it. Wish you all the best.